Hi everyone! I have a few new items from the Makartt company that I'd like to show you. This is a light, a UV LED lamp, and I have a gel polish collection set. Soak off gel polish. This set sells for $18.99, and you can see here that the bottles are 10 ml. And you get 6 of them in here. I just love how Makartt always seems to have great packaging. And here are the bottles, and they don't have names, they just have numbers on them. And there's the ingredients on the back. Here's the light. That's a 36-watt lamp, and the lamp sells for $26.99. I'm just showing you some of the specifications. There's 18 lights in this lamp. It doesn't have a timer. It's a basic lamp. The lifetime hours are 50,000, as you saw. There's just more specifications, and of course your cord, which is a US cord. Read over your directions whenever you look at them in your box. You should read them over. Again, more specifications. And the bottom comes off. There's the 18 lights, and then your sensor. The lamp is rather small, for me anyways. It has the on and off button, and a 30-second timer and a 60-second timer. It is a little bit on the small side, and it's a very basic lamp, but I think it would be great for curing gel polishes. I don't think it would be something that I would pick for constructing builder gels, because I like a brightly lit timer, and I like to have a lamp that has a 10-second timer so I can flash cure. So I'm just going to leave you here so that you can watch me swatch these, and I will be back at the end. That's the end of the video, and I just did a basic Valentine nail art, nothing too difficult, just some hearts, and I added a little bit of glitter in the center of them. And the links to Makartt will be in the description box below, so please check that out. And yeah, I think that's a nice basic light and some really great coverage on those gel polishes. Thank you all so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!